Welcome to this new video where we are going to dive into our third problem of the month, which is sum of digit of string after convert. So what is happening is that you receive as input a string and you are supposed to convert the string into a number. And after converting the string into a number, you are supposed to operate char time operation, which consists of summing all of the integer of the string. So what is happening is that you have the string, you sum all of the integer of the string, which give you 17, which is now the input for the next transformation, which will now give you 8. And for the conversion from the input to string, you just need to replace each of the elements by their position in the ASCII letter. That means A corresponding to 1, B 2, and so on and so on. So to code it, how are we going to approach this? The first thing we are going to do is to be able to find this integer, like this value, and then after this value being found, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to have a for loop that is going to apply the transformation as much as we need. That means at time, and after that, that will be all. Yeah, that will be all. Let us start. So the first thing here will be the transformation. So for the transformation, I'll have something like string. I have this result of the transformation, and I will loop through all of the elements. So each of the elements is a character in S, and I'll just say L plus equal to what I'll do is C minus A plus 1 plus 1. So what is happening here is that C is the character, and I know that we can apply operation like subtraction in between characters. And what I'm doing is that if a character is an A minus A will give 0, and since A is mapped with 1, this will return 1 when C will be A. If C is actually equal to B, if the character is actually B minus A will return 1. If the character is C minus A will return 2. So this is why applying this will help me to have exactly this result at the end. So now after this is the transformation part, right? And for the transformation, I just need to have like int result, which I will start at 0, and I'll just say yk. K is the indicator of the transformation. After each step, I'll just make this, and I'm sure at the end I'll just return my result. Now, what is the transformation about? For the transformation, I don't even need to initialize this as 0, because at the beginning of each transformation I will have to make result equal to 0, and I'll have to loop in the element of this R. So for shall in R, what I will do is that I will say result plus equal to I will make I want, if it is 2, I want the result plus equal to the value 2. So this character is actually the string, like the string representation of the character, the string representation of the int at that position. So what I will do is that I can just say C, apply the same thing I said up here, minus 0. So if the character is a 0, you just make 0 minus 0, which is 0. If the character is a 1, you will just make 1 minus 0, which is 1. So by doing this, at the end, this will have, like for this case, it will have 17. And then do not lose the flow of the things. I just need to say the R I was having will now take the toString of this the toString of the result. And yeah, after this, I think this is all we need to have this working. Let us run and see. We have a wrong answer on one case, minus 15. So what is happening is that you are having this is an int value, so this needs to be converted. Everything is going. Let us submit. So perfect, it is working properly. So this was my approach of solving this. I hope you do enjoy it. Feel free to give me any input. I'll be really happy to interact with you regarding this. See you on the next video for a new challenge tomorrow. Ciao.